Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine Joseph. You are 14CS048 and this is my sixth database lab experiment where I'm going to demonstrate a furniture company's database using the SQL concepts of view, index and sequence. So a view is a virtual table that is displayed as the result of an SQL statement. So the main syntax for creating a view is create view view name followed by the keywords as select, and after that we'll be giving the column names that is supposed to be displayed followed by the table name. So here the first question, the query for the first question is create or replace view view name. So as there are many users, so we'll be using different view names for each user. So I have given my registration number, that is V1 underscore 048, followed by the column names, and then from followed by the table names. And then as you can see, the result is the view is created. And when I give select star from the view name, I can see the tables and the rows created over here. And then as I come down I can, the second question is also to create a view. So the same way, create or replace view view name v2 as select followed by the column names and then from the table names, and the view is created. Select star from v2 to display the tables and all the rows in the tables. And the next is also to create a view that will be joining the previously created views. So I have given create or replace view view name as select, and here using the dot operator I'll be joining both the views. So I have given as create or replace view view name as select v1 underscore 048 dot customer name comma v1 dot 048 dot order vid. These both are from the first view, and this column name or this attribute is from the second view. So I have used v2 so underscore 048 dot order date from the name of both the views. And then as I display, you can see the third table is displayed. And then we are supposed to insert values into a view and see whether the view is updated or not. So in the same way as we use the basic insert statement, I'll be using this one also, and I'll be given insert into company values followed by the values. I have given Jasmine, Shantinagar, Kerala. So it is showing one row is selected, but the view is not updated over here. So no updation, or the base table or the views main table is not updated. And then I'll be displaying the table customer. Then I am supposed to delete a table, delete a row. So as the basic delete statement is used, delete from sample one where customer ID, this is the condition, and you can see that one row is deleted. The next we are moving into the concept of index. So index is used to easily find and conveniently find rows from a given table. So the main syntax for index is create index name on table name follow, and within bracket you need to give the columns that are supposed to be displayed, and the simple output is index created. In the same way, we'll be creating another index for the table order quantity, and same way create index name on, that is the keyword used over here, um, table name followed by the columns that are supposed to be displayed. And then the final concept is of sequence, that sequence is used in SQL to automatically display the primary keys or automatically display the output of primary keys. So the syntax of using sequence, of creating a sequence, is create sequence name, and these are the main attributes that are supposed to be given in a sequence. Increment by n, start with, you can give a minimum, either you can give a value that is n, we are for general purpose, and then comes a max value, that is your wish whether you want to give or not. Then if you want, we can also give, as you have given max value, we can also give a min value. Then you can give no cycle, for not repeating it, and no catch, that is no catch is optional for creating sequence, and you can get the result as sequence created. Thank you.